What up guys, this is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the P320 Brad Nailer made by Ryobi. It is an 18 gauge Brad Nailer. It's pretty legit. Stay tuned. This is No Filter Reviews. Hit the subscribe button. First off, let's talk about why I like this thing. So, number one is Ryobi is a very inexpensive product. Yes, some people may argue, you know, the quality of the tool is based upon kind of what you pay for. To me, the quality of the tool is the use and how reasonable it is for my lifestyle. And honestly, you know, if you're just going to be using these tools occasionally, Ryobi's the way to go because it's cost effective and the batteries pretty much work in all the tools. So this is a One Plus. I've got other One Plus tools and naturally the battery works in here. So some of the features of this, there's a depth setter here. So as you can see, you turn it, and based on, you know, which direction you turn it is how far the brads go in the wood. And then you have an LED switch here, so if you hit this, it turns the LEDs on. And then here is actually pretty cool because it's got a single shot, and then you can flip it, and then it's also got the double shot. The single shot's actually better in my opinion because it lets you be more accurate with it, and it doesn't, you know, you're not wasting a bunch of brads. So 18 gauge, this particular nailer, or this Brad Nailer, can go from 5/8 all the way to a 2-inch brad. So pretty inexpensive. The link is in the description if you guys are curious about it. So let's go ahead and take a deeper look in here. Alright, let's do a quick demonstration on this. So I'm just going to use the one Brad Nailer. So if you just push this down right here, see, it didn't quite seat all the way, so go ahead and crank this bad boy up and try again. And that one seated just the way I needed it to seat. So let's flip this and see the difference. So now it's on the multiple brads. So that's the biggest difference. So if I flip it back to one, you can see that it doesn't do that. You have to push the guard down first and then pull the trigger. If it's on the multiples, you can just hold the trigger and just bam, 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 bam. So very cool product. The link is in the description. I think it's under $100, maybe a little bit more than that, but it's very inexpensive and it's definitely worth the price for sure. Here's the air pressure dial. So it, depending on whether you have it turned up or turned down, that's how much pressure is going to be delivered to the nail. And a pod, depth adjuster, air adjuster. They have to be in sync in order to drive the nail completely in the way you want it to. If you have air turned all the way up, but the nails are not driving all the way in, it's probably because you have the depth adjuster turned too low. So, and vice versa. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe. The product links are in the description. And I hope you all have a great day or night. Thanks again.